purifier rotating. First, this is your anchor bolt. This bolt is called your anchor bolt, and this is your tightening nut, and this is your lock nut, and this is your washer, and this is your rubber plate, and one more rubber plate over here. So now I'm going to open this nut. So before opening this nut, you have to ensure your purifier is in off condition and the purifier is completely stopped. So now the purifier is stopped. I'm going to open the bolt. This is your lock nut. You can see here. This is your lock nut. It got a locking thing over the nut top, the head. You can see here. So then next will be your tightening nut. So I open the lock nut, I open the tightening nut, and this is your washer, and this is your rubber plate. This is your rubber plate, and there is one more rubber plate over here. This anchor bolt is welded. You can see here. You can see it is welded to the foundation. So you cannot do anything with this. All you need to do is now you have to check the condition of your rubber plate. This rubber plate should not get damaged because this rubber plate takes the vibration when the purifier is running. So it should be always in a good condition. So always ensure you are doing some So now I'm going to fit the rubber plate. See, the condition of the rubber plate is good. There is still the elasticity is there, and there is no kind of brittleness. Okay, so I'm putting back. First will be your rubber plate, and you install your washer. And now you have to use your fit your tightening bolt. You should not confuse with your locking nut and tightening nut. So first put your tightening nut, and tightening nut you just keep it hand tightened only. You should not use a spanner to tighten it. Just make it hand tight. Okay, so I made it hand tight. So once I completed with my tightening by hand, then I have to use my spanner. This is our spanner. So I have to tight for 90 degree. 90 degree. So I have to tight. If I start from here, I have to stop here. This is your 90 degree. So I start here. I finish it here. That's all. So I tightened the tightening nut 90 degree. Now I have to fit back my lock nut. This This is your lock nut. Okay, that's all. This is how we need to tighten your purifier foundation bolts. So you have to do the same procedure for the other three bolts also. Once you are tightened, just make a marking so that if the bolt gets flagged, you will come to know the marking is misaligned. The reason why you do not need to tighten so much is when purifier is running, it tends to vibrate a lot. So if you tighten it, then you don't have the cushion to take the vibration. So this rubber plate is to take your vibration and act like a cushion. So this is how you need to tighten your purifier foundation bolt. I believe this video must have given you some idea about how tightening procedure for purifier foundation bolt. So please also refer to the maker's manual before following any tightening procedure, because the tightening procedure sometimes differs with different makers. So please follow the maker's instructions and how we do the tightening of our purifier foundation bolt. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, please in the comment box. I will definitely reply you. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys.